welcome to American Baker in Germany, where the ingredients are German and the baker is American. I'm Michelle, and today we are continuing our bread baking series, and we are going to Germany again. We're looking at a German recipe for Brötchen, and if you've ever been to Germany, you know exactly what I'm talking about, but it's basically like a dinner roll, kind of, but it's like very crusty, like it's very crispy, so you crunch into it. It's really delicious, and it's absolutely something you can find everywhere here. It doesn't matter where you go, like you can find these. And they really make really great meals. Like people will eat them for meals all the time. We'll put some butter on them, or some cheese, some meat, or some eggs, or whatever it is that they decide that they want on them. So this is very German. I wanted to share it with you today. Let's get started.
Only a few simple ingredients. We need 4 cups or 500 grams of flour, 1 tablespoon dry yeast, 1 tablespoon butter melted, 2 teaspoons salt, 1 teaspoon sugar, 1 1/4 cup or 280 milliliters of water. Add about 1/4 cup or 4 tablespoons of water in a small bowl and mix in sugar and yeast to activate the yeast. Then, in a large bowl, add flour, salt, butter, and yeast mixture. Slowly add water until the mixture forms a soft dough. You may not need all of the water. Knead the dough until nice and uniform. Cover and allow to rise for 1 hour. Knead briefly and split into pieces. This recipe will make between 12 and 15. Roll the pieces of dough into balls and place on a lined baking sheet. Cut a slit in the top of them. At this point, you can allow them to rise again for 20 minutes or bake immediately if you don't mind slightly denser bread. Preheat the oven with a heat-safe dish filled with water. Bake at 460 degrees Fahrenheit or 240 degrees Celsius for about 20 minutes. Brush the tops with water immediately after removing from oven. These bread rolls are crusty and soft on the inside. They have a neutral taste and could be eaten sweet or savory. For more recipes and tutorials, visit our website at AmericanBakerInGermany.com. We're also on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Subscribe for more recipes.